In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can set up a promo code on your Wix store. So once you are on your Wix dashboard, the first thing we need to do is head over to the left-hand side bar here, scroll down, go over to marketing, go down to discounts, and then click on coupons. Once we select coupons, you will then be on your main coupons dashboard right here, and then you want to select new coupon in the top right hand corner. Now once we click on this, you've got a value amount, you've got a percentage discount, you've got free shipping, a sale price, and also a buy one get one free, for example. From here, you now want to go down to coupon code. You can enter this in, so this could be tutorial YT. You can go to coupon name and you can give it whatever name you like. And then from here, you want to go down to the discount. So in the discount box, let's just say that we want to give them a £20 discount. You would enter in £20 into this box. If you go down to apply to, click on the drop down menu, you've got an option between all products, specific product, specific category, and also a minimum order total. Now, for example, if we want to go ahead and just select all products, that will then say apply once per order to the lowest priced item, and you can also apply to each eligible item in the order. Now choose from any of these right here, and then if you go down and select include subscriptions, what this will mean is once someone signs up to one of your subscription models on your website, they will get a £20 discount for the first purchase and for any recurring purchases after this. Now if you go down to valid between, if we leave this on today's date, this will then be active straight away. If you go ahead and choose a different date, so for example, Sunday the 27th, this will then say scheduled. Now, if we leave it on today's date, you will then be able to go to don't set an end date. Now, what this means is you will then have to go back to your dashboard and deactivate this promo code manually. If you don't want to do this, you can uncheck this box and you can go ahead and select an end date on your calendar. If you go down to limited users, you can go down to limit the number of users for this coupon. You can then enter in a specific number. So let's just say that we want to have a limit number of 50. After 50 users, what this will do is this promo code will then be invalid. You can also limit to one per customer. Now, once you've changed all the different settings on this pop-up window right here, you can then select create coupon. You will then be able to promote this through your email campaign or through a social media post. And if you now go back to your dashboard, you will then see your active promo code. So what we've got is we've got tutorial YT. This will give us a £20 off all products. The code is tutorial YT and you can have 50 users, and this is currently active. And that is pretty much how you set up a promo code for your Wix store. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.